Hi, boys and girls. This week, we're going to be doing some activities with our parents, some fun activities that have to do with sound. Sound travels in waves. So think of the way the ocean looks when the waves come around, and that is how sound travels. The challenge this week is for you guys to find some ways to discover sound energy around you. And so boys and girls, you may wonder why I have these 5 bottles of Topo Chico in front of me. Well, if you notice, all the bottles have liquid in them. See the liquid? And there's 2 ways I can make sounds with this bottle. The first way is by tapping the bottle. So let's find out what happens when I tap the bottle. Can you hear that? Bottles. And I wonder what happens if I drink some of the liquid out of them. Let's find out. Ready? Oh, very refreshing. Now let's see what happens. You can see in this bottle, I drank some down. This bottle has the same amount still. What do you notice? And the other time when we were tapping on the glass, the sound energy was coming from my... Now let's find out what happens when I blow air into that. And my lowest sound was my biggest column of air. So there's 2 ways you can show sound energy with a bottle. By tapping and by blowing.
Okay, STEAM students, you heard it from Miss Lopez. That sound travels in a wave. Now I want to show you how it travels in a wave. I have a Tupperware bowl, some plastic wrap, a rubber band, and some salt. So I'm gonna put some salt on top. You can see the salt there. And now we're gonna see if we can see sound travel. So as you can see, the salt moved when I dropped the disc on the floor. So the waves came and they caused the salt to move. You just saw sound.
Hello, Selena Sailors. Ever wondered how an acoustic guitar produces sound? Well, it has to do with physics, the physics of sound waves. Sound is produced by striking the strings on the guitar and making them vibrate. Different strings on the guitar produce different speeds of vibration, which then produce the different sounds we hear. And this is something simple that you could create at your home. All you need is a cup and rubber bands, and you create your guitar. And every time you strike, the rubber band vibrates, which then gives you a different sound. Till next time.
Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Sanchez. Do you know what the world's best-selling musical instrument is? It's the harmonica. And today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own popsicle stick harmonica. You want to make one with me? You're going to need 2 popsicle sticks, any size, 2 different sizes of rubber bands, 2 of the smaller rubber bands, 1 larger rubber band, and you're going to need 2 small pieces of paper. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take 1 popsicle stick and you're going to wrap it loosely with the paper. It can be any color paper, white if you want. You're going to take a little bit of tape and we're going to loosely wrap the popsicle with the paper around it. Making sure that the scotch tape or the tape only stays on the paper itself. Don't let it fall off. Then we're going to do the other side. 2. Okay, now on this same popsicle stick, we're going to put the larger rubber band. And try to make sure that your rubber band is straight. that it's not wrinkled up or twisted. And I'm going to take my second popsicle stick and just put it right on top of the other. Now we're going to put the smaller rubber bands on each end, not too tight. So now I'm going to separate those pieces of paper like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to blow air through the middle section. And air is going to vibrate through the rubber bands and the piece of air. And then I'm going to separate them a little bit more. Could you tell the difference? Hey, try it. See if you can make your own harmonica at home.
Don't forget to hit like or subscribe if you want to see more videos, and always ask your parents for permission.